Daijahao everyone, welcome back. Today's not just another travel vlog. We're diving into something big. Taiwan's bicycle industry. Billions in export, global reach, and a story most people have no idea about. So buckle up because this ride's going to surprise you. So without further ado guys, let's get started. This isn't a story about microchips or even about bikes, really. It's about something older, simpler, more rebellious, a machine powered by muscle, breath, and will, the bicycle. In 2024, Taiwan exported 4 billion individual components. 4 billion. That's not a supply chain, that's a heartbeat, and it's still pounding. What powers this beast? Not just engineering. People, mothers, sons, uncles, neighbors, a community wrapped in metal and sweat. They call it the team bicycle, not a brand, but a belief. Everyone shows up, everyone builds their part, and the whole thing works. Taiwan punches way above its weight. The US, China, all of Europe, they all ride Taiwan. Now this didn't happen by accident. Back in the 70s, Japan tapped out and Taiwan stepped in. Not with swagger, but with sweat. Cheap labor, well maybe at first, but the real story, they didn't copy, they created. Let's go check it out. Taichung was transformed. Farmland became factories, and the work, relentless, precise, not flashy, just good. Then came the gut punch. China flooded the market. Taiwan's exports were slashed in half. Most places would have folded. Not here. They got scrappy. They formed what they call hot teams. Fixers, problem solvers, people who tackled the real issues, finance, logistics, and quality. There were no consultants, no buzzwords, just the blue-collar brains and the calloused hands of thousands of dedicated workers. And with that, they somehow survived. Fast forward, now, the Taipei Cycle Show is the biggest in Asia. But this new generation isn't just chasing numbers, they're chasing legacy. They want greener, smarter, better. Yeah, sustainable bikes are risky, they're expensive, they move slow, but here they're swinging away because Taiwan has the roads, the trails, and the grit. The real race, it's not on the trails, it's in the boardroom, in the factories, in the heads of the kids inheriting this family hustle. Now guys, the game is changing. Automation, pressure, whole new workforce. But instead of folding, they've adapted. They're not just riding faster, they're riding smarter. And now, enter the e-bike. It's not just a machine, it's a movement. Half commuter tech, half cultural shift, all momentum. In early 2023, Taiwan shipped 1.5 billion in total e-bike exports, with over 800,000 going directly to the US. And that is just the warm-up. By 2032, the global e-bike market in Taiwan could hit 6 billion in exports. And Taiwan, they're not just catching that wave, they are the wave. Crazy thing, from pedals to powertrains, Taiwan builds the whole damn thing. This isn't just a kingdom, it's an ecosystem, a gritty ballet of gears, bolts, and pride. Because while the rest of the world chases faster, cheaper, louder, well, Taiwan, they chose something harder, to ride together. Not as competitors, but as a team. Let's check it out, guys. So yeah, guys, that's Taiwan's bicycle kingdom. It's not about the pedals or the parts, it's about the people, the pride, and the quiet satisfaction of building something real, something that lasts. Until next time, guys, 大家再见, see y'all on the next video.